Zimbabwean activist Wellington Masiwa, known as Nyokayemabhunu, is at the center of a politically charged extradition case in South Africa, arrested on April 13 for immigration violation. Masiwa remains in custody, accused of being in the country without a valid visa, in violation of Section 49(1) of the Immigration Act. He has been remanded until May 29. Sanabina mashoko obuda panguva inoi poita a political twist panhau yaNyokayemabhunu but subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida panapa standard Ndambira GT. Although the official charge is immigration related, Masiwa supporters believe the arrest is a pretext for a politically motivated extradition to Zimbabwe. The courtroom is back turned chaotic last week when a group of unknown lawyers attempted to represent Masiwa. His actual legal team objected, accusing the group of being part of a broader plan to hand him over to Zimbabwean authorities under false pretenses. Advocate Thabo Dlamini, a constitutional law observing the case, said the courtroom was filled with the state agents at detention, suggesting that justice was being overshadowed by fear and political interference. Zimbabwe has requested Masiwa see extradition on allegations of fraud dating back to 2014 involving the sale of a residential stand. Deputy Prosecutor General Nelson Nziwa claimed the extradition is purely legal and not politically motivated. He insisted Masiwa would not be prosecuted for activism and he has already been tried and sentenced fairly under Zimbabwean law. Nziwa also noted that while no formal extradition treaty exists between Zimbabwe and South Africa, the request is based on the political of reciprocity and Zimbabwe's inclusion of South Africa's list of eligible countries for extradition. Outside court, tensions spilled into the streets. Zambia supporters rallied in opposition to Masiwa, calling him a traitor and singing liberation songs. Meanwhile, Zimbabwean civil society activists in the diaspora, led by a figure named Saruwaka, held a counter-protest in support of Masiwa, urging Zimbabweans in South Africa to rally behind him as a voice of dissent. Human rights observers and legal experts have raised concerns over the neutrality of the proceedings, warning that the case is increasingly about silencing political opposition rather than enforcing immigration or criminal law. Do mashoko ari kubuda pane nawo aiwa ya comrade Nyokayemabhunu vari kuonekwa kunze right now vari mumaoko aiwa emapurisa emuSouth Africa. Vanoti nawo yavo aiwa yoita a dramatic twist. Jona ZANU-PF izama kusilenza mavoices anoenda against the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu, tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.